Hello guys,
Welcome back to Rhythmic Codes. Today we're going to see how we can add a 3D viewer to a website. So I have my regular HTML kind of thing. I have doc.html, the head tags and the body tags. Now what we're going to need is to go to modelviewer.dev. And it's an easy display of interactive 3D models in web and augmented reality or AR. So what we need to import is this script component. In the body tags. And there's an example of Neil Armstrong here. Here are the supported browsers. This one doesn't work on Safari, nor on Mozilla. It works on Microsoft Edge, which I'm using right now. It works on Samsung Internet, as for Samsung users. So here's my model viewer example. So I copy this and then I paste it right here. Since it's too long, I'll format it with prettier. Okay, after formatting it looks more clean. Now I'll remove this source and I'll remove the environment image and the poster because I already have them. So in the source.txt which I made, I had the GLB file that goes in source. I have a HDR file which is an environment image. This one goes here. And I have a poster. I have these three from the modelviewer.dev. And since it is HTTPS, you'll need require internet. So I put them in here. Now what I need is to go live. As you can see, there's a small thing here. It's so small, can't even see it. I mean, you can see it, but it's too small. So what you need is this styling. So I'll add height as 100 VH and some width as 100 VH again. So I save it and go back. You can see it's big, and also there's a loading bar up. When finished loading, you can see properly. Now as you can see there down, there's some shadow. If you want to increase the shadow, there's shadow intensity. You can change it to whatever value you like. So suppose I put it to 2. You might not notice, but with bigger values you will be able to notice the change. So that's my complete tutorial of how you can display 3D objects in the web. So I hope you like it. Bye.